Beauty, happy birthday!
Hello guys!
Welcome to another video!
Finally a new vlog, and it is actually a travel vlog.
All of ours are travel vlogs though.
Well, we have like moving to Dallas and then some other bits.
Yes, we're traveling again. First real travel.
First real trip.
First like to couple trip
Couple
which is always nice.
Where are we?
Denver, Colorado.
We are in Denver, Colorado.
Home of the Rocky Mountains and the mountains.
And of course we're here because tomorrow is my birthday!
Happy birthday!
Hey!
A must-have every year for a trip.
If you've watched any of our vlogs, I think literally 2 vlogs ago, it was my birthday vlog.
Birthday trip.
And we went to Glasgow. Would I rather be there right now than Denver?
Come on. There's snow on the ground. It snowed this morning or yesterday morning, which is beautiful. And coming from Texas, that is a good sight.
Basically, a prerequisite for my birthday trip is where can we find the most Christmassy, the most wintry destination? And we wanted something pretty close by. So we chose Denver, and it did snow this morning. So there's snow on the ground, and it's probably going to snow on Thursday, which is the day after my birthday.
Very exciting.
We have absolutely no plans. We have no idea what we're going to do for my birthday. We're going to have a nice dinner. And we just got here, and we're probably about to go walk around, find some dinner.
Exactly. Yep, we got good recommendations for dinner. And we're going to go do that.
Wait!
Whoa!
You have to see the room!
Room tour. Okay.
Welcome to our room.
May I come in, please?
Come in. Please come in. So I feel like this is similar vibes to the Glasgow trip because it's a pretty nice hotel, at least for us. So you come in here, and then you have this beautiful little chair where I might be tonight.
That could be nice.
We have the space for the suitcase.
Beautiful velvet suitcase stand.
And then Austin decided he did not like sleeping in the same bed as me, apparently, so he didn't choose a king size one.
I mean, sometimes how nice is just like a big bed, you know? I was thinking about you because I was thinking, what if I start snoring very loudly? Then that's nice to have 2 separate beds.
Anyways, we have 2 separate beds, and now we have a Keurig.
Oh, that's gonna be nice. Nice cold morning.
And then here is the view.
Oh, it's quite nice. We didn't even pay for this, but a nice city view.
See the snow?
Yeah, you can see,
you can see the snow.
See the snow down there in the parking lot?
Ooh.
What a place. It's gonna be a great trip.
And then here is the bathroom. We have a tub, shower.
Oh yeah, it's nice and spacious.
Nice and spacious.
Quite big.
It's just overall a really nice hotel.
Ooh.
There is also a pool.
Oh yeah.
That's another prerequisite for my birthday hotel.
It's a requirement
There's
now.
always a pool because we swim every single day because I make us swim every single day because I love swimming. So, woo!
All right. We'll see you guys out on the town.
See us out. Out and
Goodbye.
about. Tables, dumbbells. Oh, here's the fitness center, guys, where we'll be. Not tomorrow, but someday.
Oh, it's really nice.
Oh, it feels nice in here.
Oh yeah. Cold? How cold? Like frozen?
Okay, guys, we just went to something you have to visit if you're in Denver, Whole Foods Market. Behind me, you can see the train station.
Oh, it's just UPS truck. Oh, it's very nice.
It's very nice. We actually took the train from the airport to the train station here, and then we walked to our hotel, which is super nice.
Welcome to dinner. We are gonna have a place that we ate at just a couple of weeks ago, surprisingly. In Denver, we ate there in Dallas. time is it? Good morning.
Good morning.
It is, what, about 10 a.m.?
Yeah, it's like 10 a.m.
10 a.m. We've got some Whole Foods coffees, and we're going on a walk. That's the plan for this morning.
This morning, had a nice lay-in, and yeah, just kind of gonna walk around.
Oh, it's gonna be beautiful. Still some snow on the ground. Of course.
Okay, so we're in downtown right now, and we absolutely love it. It's so cute over here. It's so Christmassy. The snow is still up. It's melting, but we love it. Okay, so we're noticing that Denver has lots of little like things like this church just in the middle of the city, which is just so cute. Reminds me lots of the UK.
Haha.
We are at the Denver Art Museum.
Just Denver Museum?
No, Denver Art Museum.
Maybe.
And it's beautiful. It's
very
really
nice.
one of the best museums we've been to in the States for sure. So, can highly recommend.
Where are we?
We're at the Capitol.
The state capitol.
The state capitol. We're hoping we can go in. We're not sure. We just spent a couple of hours in the art museum, which was so nice. Now we're hoping we can go in. Let's see. Guys, we are at the Cheesecake Factory. I'm so happy. I love this place.
So good. Cajun jambalaya pasta and a beautiful fish.
Hi there.
Hello. What are we doing now?
Chilling.
Chilling. Necessary.
Swim though.
Necessary. Swim time, essential. We've been gone from 9:30 this morning until 5 o'clock,
Past 5 o'clock.
which is pretty good.
It's pretty great.
Pretty good. So, gonna chill, and then a swim.
Oh, guys, look how
Swim
long
time.
this pool is.
Look at that. It's a nice pool. Oh. Woohoo!
Ready? It's beautiful.
It's beautiful, right? All right, dinner is done.
Dinner's done. We're heading back to the hotel.
It was such a good
Such a
meal.
good dinner. It
Foraged.
is so cold.
Foraged in Denver. Delicious.
Highly recommend.
Highly recommend. But it is freezing cold. It is -4 degrees Celsius, centigrade, which would be like 25 degrees Fahrenheit.
Oh, I have no
Very,
idea.
very cold. Careful, don't fall. But we're going back to the hotel for some Cheesecake Factory carrot cake. Okay, goodbye. Nice pants.
Cute.
It's cold. She was walking back in just a dress. Nice.
Stole his joggers.
Oh, all right. It's time for cake, and it's time to absolutely sleep.
Sleep.
Yeah. We will see you guys in the morning. Tomorrow we are going to Boulder, Colorado. It's like a short train ride. So that's going to be very nice. Tomorrow's like our last day, basically. Just 2 full days. Sad, but fun. Good night.
Guys, I just woke up and it's snowing. Come to Wonderland.
What?
Oh my god.
It was not supposed to do this today. What? Oh, it's snowing. Oh my. I've been in bed for 20 minutes and the blinds have been closed. What? Oh, stunning. It's gonna be a great day. We're out.
So much.
It's a lot of snow.
A lot of snow.
Oh no, we might get stuck in Denver.
Oh no.
Oh no. How's your morning?
Guys, it's snowing so much.
It's still coming down. We're currently at the judiciary building, the courts.
Yeah.
They wouldn't let us in. And then that way, where we were yesterday.
Well, we didn't try to go in.
I guess not. We looked inside. And then that's the Capitol and the Christmas market that we won't be here for. But we'll be back soon. Okay, before we go out into the actual blizzard, we have just arrived in Boulder. We took a little bus. I think we said earlier that it was a train. We were mistaken. It was a bus.
But you guys, you don't understand how much it's snowing.
It is
snowing. It is actually a
snowing.
snowstorm.
It did say
weather.
snowstorm. Yeah, so hopefully we don't get stuck here today. I think the storm, the big snow, is supposed to stop soon. Maybe a couple of hours.
But still.
So we'll stay here for a few hours, see how we like it, and then, okay. we're finding that places are starting to close,
Unfortunately.
which we think is a bit crazy because this is like mountain town,
perfect.
you know? You think they would expect this, but I guess it's snowing harder than most would like. But it's, I mean, come on, who doesn't want to be out shopping in this?
It's empty right now.
Empty. Okay, we are leaving Boulder.
We had some quick pastry. They forgot to tell us that they were closing in 10 minutes.
Yeah,
So we're leaving Boulder.
Quick
heading
coffee.
back to Denver.
It's gonna be a long ride because we think the streets are pretty icy. So we'll see how long it takes us because all of the buses are delayed right now. But we should still be able to get one.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
Get back to the
Yeah,
hotel.
because we have a flight tomorrow morning.
No, I'm very sad.
Aw.
Talk about that.
Never mind. We're staying. We're moving here.
We're staying. We're moving.
Another pool night.
Last meal in Denver.
Well, honey.
Yes. Guys, we are back in the hotel after a great dinner. We're probably gonna eat some snacks and then we're gonna. Very sad to be leaving. Definitely don't want to leave.
It is a sad time. 2 very short days.
2 very short days and so fun.
So fun.
So
We will be back to Denver. We might see you in the morning.
we might see you in the morning for a little workout before we head
That's
back
true.
to Dallas.
Have a little workout.
We'll see.
Okay. Good night.
Otherwise, good night, guys. Guys, we're on the train heading back to the airport, which is very sad. I literally don't want to leave. It's all snowy and cold, but it's not snowing anymore. It's only snow. Very sad.
Thank you guys for joining. We had a beautiful trip. And I think that's it. We'll see you next time.